Welcome back, everybody. If you've ever been in a serious accident, you know it's important to have a good personal injury attorney. There's been one who's been in the business for over 4 decades with the popular slogan, one call. That's all. Love it. It's Morris Bart, everybody. And guess what? He is joining us this morning to talk about his new services and a special giveaway for Pelicans fans. Oh, my goodness. Morris Bart, everybody. Welcome to the show.
Thank you. With that intro, I can't resist saying one call. That's all.
That's it. And look at us. We're both wearing blue suits today. The synergy, it is definitely here. And I love that you're doing a giveaway. My dad is a huge New Orleans Pelicans fan.
Good.
And I know he is all about this giveaway. Please tell us what this giveaway is and why you wanted to do it.
All right, so many people might know I've been a sponsor of the Pelicans ever since they came to New Orleans. I love the team, I love basketball, I'm excited that they're here in the city, and I've been fortunate to have great seats sitting courtside. It's an exciting thing to do. So I wanted to share that excitement. I got some tickets, some great tickets in the lower bowl. And so we're giving that away so other New Orleanians can experience the joy of this. The team's doing great. It's exciting to see them. There's lots and lots of games coming up. So I want to encourage everybody to get out and see the Pelicans and experience this joy. Now, the other part of your question, you asked me, why am I doing it? So the reason I'm doing it is I consider myself part of New Orleans.
You are.
I was raised here. I went to school here. I'm actually a product of the New Orleans public schools system.
Come on. And shout out to everybody who is.
Right, it is. And of course, everybody wants to know where you graduated high school in New Orleans. I graduated from Forche, which is now the Willow School on Ferret Street. But I'm from here. I still live in New Orleans. I work in New Orleans. And I love the joy and the events that New Orleans has to offer. I mean, so often in our day-to-day lives, we get distracted by different events going on, and we lose sight of the pure joy and the excitement that can come from living in New Orleans.
I agree.
So I decided, for the thousands and thousands of clients we have been blessed to represent in New Orleans, plus virtually everybody in the city knows me now.
Yes.
I decided I want to spread the goodwill. I want to spread some of this joy. So I'm buying tickets to all the concerts. I've got, of course, these great season tickets to the Pelicans.
Yes.
And we're doing a ticket giveaway. You don't have to be a client of mine. Anybody can enter. All you have to do is follow me on social media, which hopefully everybody knows how to do that now.
Absolutely, and you're seeing all the information on your screen on how to follow Morris Bart, and you're essentially giving tickets away to every single Pelicans game, so make sure you all are following him, but you're also giving tickets away to concerts, and I read a casino in Biloxi?
Right, right. I mean, we're trying to get a diverse mix of musicians, of talent, different genres of music. And so, yeah, you know, you got to expand. We have an office actually in Gulfport.
Oh, yeah.
And we have a lot of clients on the Mississippi Gulf Coast. So we want to do it for our clients and for the public on the coast that have seen me on television forever. But it's very common for people in New Orleans to drive over to the coast, just like it's very common for people that live on the coast to drive to New Orleans to have fun.
And I love that you're doing this, and congratulations to you as well, because you've actually expanded some of your services. Tell us about those expanded services.
Sure. So for decades now, we have done the motor vehicle accident cases, anything involving cars, trucks, motorcycles, pedestrians, and everybody knows that. But over the years, we've gotten lots and lots of calls from clients, new clients, existing clients, asking if we can help them with other types of matters. For instance, workers' comp. These are individuals that get injured on the job, and they're covered by special laws that protect workers. Premise liability. These are people that get hurt, for instance, you live in an apartment complex or some property you rent and the balcony's rotted out or the steps give way. These are cases involving the premises. Could be in a store too. What else do we have?
Hurricanes, of course.
Yeah, unfortunately that comes with living in New Orleans, that we do have hurricanes, and that has become really a booming area of litigation as we deal with not only the storms coming here, but with insurance companies either lowballing people that have homes. And Hurricane Ida, we have hundreds and hundreds of cases involving people who are lowballed by their insurance companies. and I mean seriously lowballed.
And I've seen your commercial on that. I've also seen your commercial on that mass tort case that you're doing, the
right.
Camp Lejeune. Tell us a little bit about what that case is.
So Camp Lejeune is an important emerging area of litigation. So what this is Camp Lejeune is a base, I see it on the screen here, in North Carolina that Marines would go through and get their training. And from 1953 to 1987, the water was polluted. It was toxic water. Everyone drank. The government knew about it, did nothing about it, and drinking this toxic water, being exposed to it, they estimate as many as 1 million people were exposed to it and made them susceptible to cancer.
Wow.
The government knows it. The government has acknowledged it. And they set up a special compensation program for anyone who was at Camp Lejeune for 30 days or more between the years 1953 and 1987 and developed any of a long list of cancers.
And you know, there are many Marine veterans here, so there could be a local connection here as well. Morris Bart, I want to thank you so much for joining us this morning in a blue suit as well, everybody. Look, if you want more information about his expanded services or more information on how you can win free tickets to Pelicans games, head over to his website, morrisbart.com.